Pretend, what does A say?
Ah.
What does B say?
This.
No, what does B say?
Ah.
No, that's A. What does B say?
Bu-bu-bu-bu-bu.
What does C say? Good. What does D say?
Mommy, what's that?
That's my camera. What does D say?
Mama, Mushy.
Yes, you can see when I'm done. What does D say?
This.
Good. Do you remember what E says? No, E. E. What does F say?
Fly, 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 fly,
Fly. What sound does it make? What sound? Good job.
fly.
Fly. What does G say? Remember what G says? G. G. What does H say? Good. What does I say? How about J? What does J say? Oh, that's K. K says what?
Kick.
Kick. And what sound does it make? Good. Do you remember what M says? M? Good. How about O? How about P? Good.
Popcorn.
For popcorn, that's right. How about S? No, that's T. What does S say? Good. How about T? Tell me T now. Good. How about X?
Kick.
No, what does X say? Good. How about Y? Give me a Y sound. Give me a Y sound. No, that's V. What about Y? Give me a Y sound. How about Z? Good job. We skipped a few in there, but you did good. How about R? No, what does R say? R says Good job.